Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ananda Resti Putri. I'm college student in University Bina Sarana Informatika, Faculty Economy and Business, Program Studi Accounting. Honorable to my lecturer is Miss Fitriani. And today I want speech and talking about my planning of my journey. Before I explain about my 20-year journey, I would like to tell you a little about my dream. When I was 5 years old, people said it because I want to be a smarter child, whether it's true or not. But I hopefully it's true. That's why I really want to be a doctor. Because for me, doctor, I like angel, so that I can recover and be able to play again with my friends. But over time, my wishes is changed. With increased age and more knowledge, I have known a lot of profession in this world beside a doctor. When I was studying in high school, my teacher said Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said Khairun nas anfa'uhum linnas, which means the best of mankind is the most beneficial to other humans. My mindset is changed. They not only doctor I like angel, but our profession in the world of very noble and condition that can pick up the sustenance in a halal way. After graduate from high school, I happened to take a step to gap year, not direct continue my education to the lecturer level. At time, I filled my spare time to work in the field of F&B, food and beverage, and the money I earned from working was from my college fees. And now I'm already in semester 2 and thank God. Also now I'm working at the developer as a sales admin in Illinois Living Housing. My journey is still long, my age is still very young and continue to grow. Therefore, I will not waste the opportunities that God has given and the prayers then I always pray for. I realize that my correct career and addiction are not the end of my journey, but my beginning to continue to grow and develop my potential and identity. Not to forget, I always thank my parents who always pray for me so that many good things come to me. Not to forget, I always thank myself to continue to be strong until now and beyond, whether my profession or what I become in the next 10 years. I hope that I are watching this and we will become useful people and always be humble towards our other. Amin. Countable noun. What is countable noun? Countable noun is noun that refers to something that can be counted as individual unit and has both singular and plural forms. Characteristic of a countable noun: there are 1. Can be counted individually. 2. Have singular and plural forms. 3. Can be used with number. 4. Can be used with quantifiers. Okay, next I want to explain you guys characteristic of a countable noun. The first characteristic of a countable noun is can be counted individually. Can be counted individually is the object or thing can be counted one by one. So if something can be counted, it means we can determine its exact number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The second characteristic of a countable noun is have singular and plural forms. For singular form is used to refer to one item or thing. Example, book, the mean one book. And plural form is used to refer to more than one item or thing. Example, books or 2 books, 3 books or so on. More than one item or thing. Countable noun that are regular and irregular. For regular, s is for noun ending in most consonant or vowel. Example, dog become dogs and car become cars. S is for noun ending in s, x, z, ch, sh or o. Example, box become boxes, watch become watches. For irregular, the plural form of this noun is completely different from the singular form. Example, child become children, tooth become teeth. Is can be used with number. Nouns can be paired directly with number because they refer to things that can be counted individually. For example, 3 book. You can count 3 individual books. The second example, 5 apple. You can count 5 individual apple. So, countable noun can be directly used with number to show how many of the noun there are. The last characteristic of countable noun is can be quantifiers, that a noun can be paired with words that show quantity. For countable noun, we often use words like and, some, and any. Can be quantifiers have a characteristic. Number 1, and used to refer to one countable item and is only used with nouns that start with a vowel a, I, U, E, O. Example, I have an apple. The second example is she is reading an interesting book. Number 2, used to refer to one countable item and is only used with nouns that start with a consonant. Example, I saw a cat outside. He gave me a gift. 3, some. Used to refer to indefinite quantity, usually in positive sentence or offers. Some is often used when referring to more than one. Example, I have some books on my shelf. So, would you like some coffee? For plural, okay? And the last, any, used in negative sentence or question to refer to an indefinite quantity. Any can also indicate an unlimited quantity in some contexts. Example, do you have any apples? I don't have any friends here. Okay, maybe enough my explain about countable noun. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.